How do I expand the output display to see more columns of a Pandas data frame? Is there a way to widen the display of output in either interactive or script execution mode? Specifically, I am using the describe function on a Pandas data frame. When the data frame is 5 columns, labels, wide, I get the descriptive statistics that I want. However, if the data frame has any more columns, the statistics are suppressed and something like this is returned. The 8 value is given whether there are 6 or 7 columns. What does the 8 refer to? I have already tried dragging the idle window larger, as well as increasing the configure idle width options, to no avail.
Update, Pandas 0.23.4 onwards. This is not necessary. Pandas auto-detects the size of your terminal window if you set pd.options.display.width equals 0. For older versions, see at bottom. Pandas.set_printOptions ... is deprecated. Instead, use pandas.set_option_opname, val, or equivalently pd.options.opt.hierarchical.name equals val. Like. Here is the help for set_option. Older version information. Much of this has been deprecated. As a PMU mentioned, Pandas auto-detects, by default, the size of the display area, A summary view will be used when an object wrapper does not fit on the display. You mentioned resizing the idle window, to no effect. If you do print df.describe.to_string, does it fit on the idle window? The terminal size is determined by pandas.util.terminal.get_terminal_size, deprecated and removed. This returns a tuple containing the width, height of the display. Does the output match the size of your idle window? There might be an issue. There was one before when running a terminal in Emacs. Note that it is possible to bypass the auto-detect. Pandas.set_printOptions max_rows equals 200, max_columns equals 10, will never switch to summary view if number of rows, columns does not exceed the given limits. The max_colwidth option helps in seeing untruncated form of each column.
Try this. From the documentation. Display.expand_frame_wrapper. Boolean whether to print out the full dataframe wrapper for wide dataframes across multiple lines. Max_columns is still respected, but the output will wrap around across multiple pages if its width exceeds display.width. Default, true, currently, true. C. Pandas.set_option.
If you want to set options temporarily to display one large data frame, you can use option_context. Option values are restored automatically when you exit the with block.
Only using these 3 lines worked for me. It was for Anaconda, Python 3.6.5, Pandas 0.23.0, and Visual Studio Code 1.26.